Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic, some problems is discussed. These problems is related to the basic concepts of motion under gravity, that like maximum height, the time taken, and the type of problems discussed students in this session. Okay, first problem, a ball is projected vertically upward with a speed of 40 meter per second. Find out maximum height. Next to time to reach the maximum height, time taken find out. Next to speed is a find out. Is a very important problem for CBSE and Olympiad level. First write given data students. So the ball is vertically projected to reach maximum height, to reach a certain height, then find out maximum height students. The first initial velocity is a u, then u is equal in this given data 40 meter per second. So vertically thrown up, the acceleration is a negative, then a is equal to minus g, minus 10 meter per second square, minus 10 meter per second square. Then find out maximum height by using kinematics third equation students. V square is equal to u square plus 2as 0 square. To reach maximum height, then final velocity is equal to 0 square is equal to, so u value 40, so 40 whole square plus 2 into minus 10 into displacement is a maximum height, h maximum, then h maximum is equal to, so 40 square, that is equal 1600 by 20, 0 cancel, 2 ones 280, maximum height is equal to 80 meter. This is the first one. The first one is a finished students. The second one, the time to reach a maximum height. In this B bit, the u is equal to plus 40 meter per second. So given data student. Next to a is equal to minus g, that is minus 10 meter per second square is vertically projected. Then find out time taken using kinematics first equation. V is equal to u plus 80 v0, that is equal to u minus gt. Gt is equal to u, the time taken t is equal to u by g. T is equal to u value 40 by 10, then t is equal to 4 seconds. So time taken to reach a maximum height, how much time taken the particle to reach maximum height? 4 seconds. T is equal to 4 seconds. This is a B bit. B bit also finished. Third one is C. The speed at half the maximum height. The velocity, the displacement at half of the maximum height, the 40 meter. The displacement is always positive in vertically projected body. U is equal to 40 meter per second. The displacement is equal to 40 meter. A is equal to minus g, that is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. Using kinematics third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Then v square is equal to u square 40 square plus 2 into minus g into h maximum, that is as the displacement, students, that is as v square is equal to 1600 minus 2 into 10 into 40. V square is equal to 1600 minus 400 into 2, 800. V square is equal to 800. V is equal to square root of 800. 800, it is simplified. 400 into 2. So 402 means that is a 400, that root over 20 root 2 meter per second. Then V is equal to 20 root 2 meter per second. So finally C bit also finish. The next second problem discussed, students, is a very important problem. Okay, second problem. A hot air balloon is going upwards with a velocity of 12 meter per second. It releases a packet when is at a height of 65 meter from the ground. How much time the packet will take to reach the ground surface? The maximum height, that is when a height of 65 meter, this is a height. So when a person is there, the packet is released from certain height. Okay, first to write the given data. The hot air balloon is rising upwards with a velocity. The first velocity is the initial velocity. Then initial velocity is equal to 12 meter per second. Then acceleration due to gravity, A is equal to minus g minus 10 meter per second square. So find out time taken, find out. And maximum height, a packet is dropping, the packet is dropping from certain height. The height is equal to 65 meter. The displacement, the particle is moving in dropping, so downward direction. The displacement is minus 65 meter. Displacement is negative in downward direction. By using kinematics second equation, S is equal to ut plus half at square minus 65 is equal to 12t plus 1 by 2 into minus 10 t square. 2 1s to 2 5s. Minus 65 is equal to 12t minus 5 t square, 5t square minus 12t minus 65 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. To simplify, then find out time easily. 5t square minus 25t plus 13t minus 65 is equal to 0. First 5t is common, t minus 5 plus 13 common, t minus 5 is equal to 0. T minus 5 into 5t plus 13 is equal to 0. That t is equal to 5 comma t is equal to minus 13 by 5, that is a negative value. So negative value is not so necessary for time taken. The taken only positive value. T is equal to 5 seconds. So how much time taken to reach the ground surface, that bracket? 5 seconds. This is the second problem. The next discuss third problem. Okay students, now discuss the third problem. A falling stone takes 0.2 seconds to fall past a window which is 1 meter high. The window is 1 meter high. From how far above the top of the window was the stone drop? From certain height, from above the window, that height is a find out and time taken is a find out. And this is the window. This is the window. So from above the window one point, that point is A, and this one type of is a B, and to reach the maximum height is C. Okay, this height also find out. That height is unknown height. The find out H. The window height is 1 meter. First find out for point B. From point B, the displacement is the body is dropping. The body is dropping, freely falling. Displacement is negative, minus 1 meter. Then U is find out students plus U. From point B, the initial velocity is U. The time taken t is equal to 0.2 second. Then A is equal to 10 meter per second square. That is A is equal to G. That is equal to G. By using a second equation of kinematics, S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is a minus 1. 1 is equal to the u into 0.2. So plus 1 by 2 into, then A is equal to okay, 10 into t square, 0.2 whole square. So minus 1 is equal to 0.2 into u plus, so cancel. So 2 into 2 1, so 2 5s. 5 into 0.04, 5 into 0.04, that value is 0.2. So minus is taken students, minus, so minus into plus minus 0.2, so totally 0.2 u is equal to minus 0.8, u is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. This is the initial velocity. U is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. Next to find out this height, how much height, or the top of the window, the height is above the window. That height is find out students. From point A, for point A is dropping, this top of the view or top of the point, top point A that initial velocity is equal to 0. So previously find out that final velocity or velocity 4 minus 4 meter per second square. S is equal to minus 1 meter. Then G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So G is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. By using kinematics third equation, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. This is 4 minus 4 whole square is 0 plus 2 into minus 10 into S is equal to H. S is equal to height. So height is a find out, student. 16 is equal to 20 H. 16 is equal to 20 H. Then H is equal to 16 by 20. The H is equal to 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter. This is the problem. So hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.